Hi, Helgud here. Market analysis, trading, and investing is all we do. Do well to subscribe. Thank you.
Mike, oh great. Yeah, happy new. I really do hear me. You, but oh wow. So you don't know how I'm about the session we're having, and it's a great Monday. It's Monday, and I want to wish time. John, I thank you for being a part of first thing, following, and maybe without oh my, without you guys, have been here. All right, and I want to say a very big yeah for having you guys join us. Said so congratulate you for making it into me. Promises to be great, and we really a lot of greater things will be done in the together. If you got any questions, that would really fast and possible. We're not gonna be literally would be we're running you analysis I had in my mind about gold. Yeah, so you guys can kind of get that with thought flow. Literally took oh apparently it has gone surplus E, but I think it's more reasons I have welcome to reality platform because now I named my you know YouTube platform trading that does attention more time from an angle or from the angle of someone as I would say sincere as necessary, real as possible, walking you through and journeying with you as we all both navigate the uncertainties of trading the financial together. I don't know which point the raise of this. That's why I'm so if they're the one I'm not on, definitely let me know. So yeah, guys, I am hopeful that everybody. Okay, let me see. Let me just hope I could. It's been a very long time having you, everybody. I'm so excited, very much excited, very much excited. Made it to this point. Super excited, super glad, and I cannot wait to do more video. I really hope I will do more live streams, which is more I probably have a better refined schedule. I'm open to do like this personal live streams, and this is for me necessary so that I can conserve my energy, doing more for the community, showing up right here, and then doing other important things, right? This is the reason why I have chosen those 2 days, and I really hope that works for you. think that's the open of the day for trading Monday, setting out for the week so we can understand what exactly the market will be doing in the course. Because Wednesday, saying most of whatever the market wants to do. I mean, we should be seeing the most of. So that's my kind of thought flow. You know, guys, we need to face the reality. Trading is not such a thing you want to rush in. Importance related step. There must in fact be, if at all, such a person and how our voice sounds like. That's with our stream. I should have done this background checks, yes, too. So I think, yeah, that's my take at the moment. Yeah. Trying to log into another platform, see if I together, just more of me, more of us starting, analyzing, and then vibing over what we think the market is going to promises to be great. And I think I'm going to be saying this to everybody who's listening. You cannot settle for less. You have had a couple of money today. I think that's not going to be a lot of profits in the beginning of last year. That doesn't define the last year as so much of an highly profitable year for me, I'm being honest. So I am saying that either ways, it's not how the year defines how it's going to be ending. Oh, what really defines how the year is going to is not so much about its start. I think it is how, you know, the market conditions are and how we are coming to terms of with understanding our biases of that and how to relate with that. I had to wear the glass again because I think getting kind of good with the need to use it. So guys, I would love to know how your last year was. I mean, because of pertaining to trading. I'd love to know how you enjoyed your holidays, if you may, and because you might use the chat. So either ways, I think you definitely can let us know how you both how those two questions are for you, how you're enjoying, how you're preparing for the new year. We're going to be discussing so much about what we think markets are going to be doing for analysis. Now we should rather take advantage of the market's uncertainties. I think we literally must agree with me. The reality of the crypto market, switching from what it used to be, is now clear. I mean, we are in a very funny market cycle that we literally must learn a whole lot about. And I think it's important, right, that a lot of persons come to terms with this reality that things are changing from what it used. What is our new year bias? Topic of this live, and of course, what are the macro narrative that I have in mind, especially as we are, considering our new year. What do you call it? New year narrative or new year perspective. What exactly um am I on the lookout for? I know a lot of persons would really want know how we are making the most of say the market risings in the new year to draw informations about what we think is going to happen as the days unfold. Honestly speaking, guys, when I look at the market conditions these past 1 or 5 days, I am not so sure if I'm overly excited or I'm just indifferent. So I'm just kind of indifferent, I guess. What I think market is probably gonna be. Yeah. So I think it's very much important to state this fact that that the market is making great progress with opening new discoveries for us to interfere with. Now, look at it. I must say this to you on a monthly time frame. I think let's start off with that. All right, you'd see how that gold for month over month, probably for over 1 year. I mean, if you take Q for 2022, gold literally seemed to be all the way up. Never had a real downtime. It's been like 180% on gold between 2 years. And that's uncommon. And I think it's not just such a thing we should ignore. It's not. It's not. It calls for us to reevaluate the times we are in. I think if we do not reevaluate the times we live in current anymore, we will just keep seeing a whole lot of messy things happening in the market. Now, I know we have a BitGet audience, joining us on our stream, and some other persons who perhaps, oh my God, I've never started live. Interesting. I thought I started live on BitGet. Interesting. So let's hope we're starting again. So I want to say Happy New Year to everyone joining. So thank you for joining. We really appreciate you joining our stream. It's a great day, and I really hope you would appreciate appreciate the moment we would have. Okay, so that said, I would also love to know how your holidays went and how 2025 was for you. If you can describe 2025, do that in the see what you yes. So boy, oh boy, where are we? I was given a recap on how gold to be pushing price beyond what we know it to be. It's really moving faster, and then you're seeing gold, literally making a crazy all-time high. The truth is, there's going to be a downtime. There's going to be a downtime. I don't know when, because there's always expansion. That tells us there will definitely be a retracement. Okay, so since every expansion signals the certainty of retracement, and I think there is no need for us to question gold will at some point drop to sub 4,000 level. It's very much clear at some point in no distant time, gold is going to be dropping. But then we need to combine many metrics, of course, information or data to draw these conclusions. Hi, thanks for joining. Now, of joining, please do not hesitate to drop some hellos in the message in the comment section so we can have you all together hearing discussing so we can all always discuss stuff together. All right, so a moment please, I'm trying to also check. All right, what just happened? Right, okay, I think I get it. We have network issues and it's very very bad. For you boy, just a moment please. I don't... Okay, I think our network is back. All right, so guys, just bear with us. Sometimes we just have to deal with issues, and then it's not so great. It's something we really hope we are outliving, or we're gonna be outliving at this point in time, because really we should have outlived network issues in this part of the world. But it is what it is, and then you have to just, you know, yeah. So guys, I think when I look at gold market analysis, I'm just so certain that hey, it's gonna dump very much. very much at least I'll be expecting gold to drop to like um $3,591 very much. But then again, when I look at the market's pricings, I look at where every of the assets are acting. I think one thing is certain. I'm gonna give a clear forecast. Um, the wave model will suggest that hey, liquidity will definitely be driven from an higher time frame to a very clear point in time, right? Its lowest point or its lower time frame. It's low or it's gonna be driven from the high of the higher time frame to the low of the higher time frame in no distant time. And as the market progresses, we would come to agree with the fact that, of course, I'm going to be discussing crypto at some point. Now that we have our the platforms supporting, trading diverse of financial assets, we can agree with me that we have an opportunity to make the most of investing. And for me, I think that pretty much is. I think um, very much necessary um, to do. That's very much necessary to do. I want, yeah, I think it's very much necessary to make it intentional around trading this particular. I think for me, I think gold is going to be dropping very much to its low very much soon. People like it or not. And I don't need you to believe what I'm saying. It's just what I think is going to be happening. So I think yeah, that's going to be happening. I think it's a call time for us to ask deep questions. Literally took a first trade. I'm going to be walking you through that. I hope I do 1 hour. If I couldn't, then that's enough. I'm going to take time to do more preparation for a new live session. That's going to be definitely Wednesday. And probably going to double down how to ensure our deliverables and our delivery is way more better. I think that highly important, highly important. So when you think of things and then you at how the pricings of the markets and several other important things are becoming, you would agree with me, right? Love it or not, um, that um, we have so much. Wow, is going wrong. The network is a moment, please. They're affecting people. These. Whoa, network is. Ah, I don't know if I would say network is quite poor. But all right, guys. My New Year buyers, honestly, for the entire market, I would have loved to, show you is in entire. We're gonna be having a very interesting market. I cannot say it's gonna be like a right bearish market, but I have a tilt more to the bearish for the entire 2026. I'm expecting so much.